Fuck Marlon Wayans. I don't know why these folks keep fucking with me. Man, what? My mama, I might just go live for the rest of the year roasting these folks. Why these folks won't leave me alone, bro? You stinky pussy bitch. Fuck you talking about? Marlon Wayans. I smack your bald head ass, bitch ass nigga. Talking about Marlon Wayans was trying to defend me. Man, shut the fuck up, man. Fuck Marlon Wayans, man. Fuck Bad Baby, man. Fuck Blueface, man. Fuck all these broke ass, peon ass niggas, man. I'm tired of these niggas, man. Suck my fucking dick, man. God damn. Every day these Soulja this, Soulja that. Nigga, fuck Trump. Nigga. Fuck everybody, nigga. Fuck everything, nigga. The fuck? I bet the nigga won't fight me, nigga. I'll beat your motherfucking ass, nigga. I bet you none of these folks don't want to fight, though. Nigga don't want to shoot, though. Nigga don't want to do nothing. Nigga don't want to get on the internet and talk, nigga. Stop talking all the time, nigga. Get in the streets, nigga. Do some sliding, nigga. Pussy ass, nigga. Fuck your dead partners, nigga. Fuck is you talking about? What a nigga gotta do to get you niggas got, nigga? I'm tired of talking to you pussy niggas, nigga. Get in the streets, nigga, and do something, nigga. Fuck your dead homie, nigga. The fuck? Fuck your mama, nigga. Tired of you pussy niggas, nigga. Nigga. Get in the streets and do some slide, nigga. Y'all niggas always on the internet talking, nigga. When the body gonna drop around this bitch? Tired of smacking you niggas. Left and right. Pussy ass, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga. You niggas bitches, nigga. Peons, nigga. You niggas. Man, I can't wait. Smoke one of you fuck niggas. Y'all niggas bitches, niggas. And y'all niggas broke. And y'all niggas always watching me. And y'all fuck niggas always talking about me on the internet. And Lil Yachty, man. I'ma start smacking this shit out y'all niggas one by one, man. I ain't gonna even lie. Hey, I'ma say it like this. Lil Yachty. Don't say my name no more. Let's just keep it like that. Don't say my name no more. You a nigga that you paint your toenails, gang. Hold on. On my mama, like, bro. I put this shit on my mama, like. This all the fuck I'm finna say, fool. We gonna keep it like this, fool. On my mama, fool. And no diddy, nigga, for me even pulling this picture up, nigga. No diddy, nigga. No diddy, nigga. I can't even show my fans this shit. This shit's so gay. You paint your toenails, man. Don't say my name no more, man. Nigga gonna get the slapping the shit out y'all niggas. I ain't gonna even lie. You paint your toenails and your fingernails. And you lame as hell. The fuck you keep saying my name for? Then when you be saying my name, you be sounding lame as fuck. Soulja boy, I just don't understand him. I'm on my song. But what the fuck? Soulja boy. Everybody know I was the big Soulja boy fan. Man, nigga gonna get the smacking the fuck out y'all niggas, man. Shut the fuck up. Lame ass little nigga, man. God damn, boy, you nigga be lame as hell, paint your toenails and all, still talking about. Just cause you got money don't mean you can say anything you wanna say, nigga. Shut the fuck up, little nigga. I don't know why he was talking about Drake. We was paying. Boy! That shit made me mad just listening to you talk, nigga. Shut the fuck up, nigga. Ain't nobody never taught this nigga how to talk. Can somebody teach this nigga how to talk? Oh, man. Drake, you know, he doesn't care. What? The fuck is you talking like that for, nigga? Nigga gonna smack the accent back into your stupid ass. On Soulja, where you know that? Oh, man, I'm tripping, shot. I don't know what I was talking about. Fuck is you talking like that for, nigga? No.